Alright, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Alright, gang, so we're back for another video. Alright, gang, in this video, we're gonna be doing a breakdown of gold. And we'll do a breakdown of GPUSD because GPUSD is going up too. And I've been watching GPUSD. It was just at 1.32. Now it's at 1.37. So we're gonna break that down. Of course, let's break down gold because we was previously breaking down gold. So I just continue breaking down gold. So you can see gold was going up, gang. New gold was going up for the week. I broke this down in an analyst videos about gold 2 days ago. Alright, it's basically at our 1830 level. Our 1830 level is right here. As you can see, 1830 levels, like right here. This is our 1830 level. That price, we're waiting for price to go to the 1830 level. It's literally right there. So gold on the daily is going up. This is the weekly. I'm sorry, the weekly is going up. The daily is going up. So first thing we'll do, like I said, we'll analyze the market. We'll find the overall trend. We have our trend line still here. Uptrend candles are above the trend line, meaning we're in an uptrend. When candles are above the trend line. Candles are still above this trend line. You can see candles are still above this trend line. It hasn't got below this trend line yet. It hasn't, candles haven't got below this trend line yet. We would just draw the trend line to 830. Okay. So price haven't got all the way to 830 yet, but it's right there. It's at 1827. Like I said, gold likes to move fast. Like gold did this in a week. It went from 1783 all the way 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 4 days, gold been going up. Like this whole week, gold been going up. It went there in the last 4 days from 1783 all the way up to 1827. We're really looking at 1830. That will be our next key level. Our next major key level, psychological level, will be 830. It passed our mid level, which will be at 1815, and then we have our support level, which will be our other key level, will be 1800. So it just happened in 4 days. Like gold likes to move fast. The daily and the weekly will show you what price is doing overall, and the monthly too can show you that. The monthly, we can see right here, price buyers push price all the way back up. You can see this wick right here. That for the month, buyers push price literally all the way back up. They wicked it all the way back up. Now, it's known when we see a wick all the way back up, buyers are in complete control. As you can see on the weekly, buyers are in complete control. Strong candles right here, strong candlesticks. On the daily, we have another strong candlestick right here. It broke this higher low. This was like the last higher low. Price was at the last higher low price was at before headed back up. It broke that, so we're completely in an uptrend. You might see a retest tomorrow. I'm actually looking for a retest tomorrow. Heading back down. Because price can do whatever it wants, but it's been going up for the last 4 days. So I'm expecting price to retest, and break this trend line somewhere soon. We don't know when it can happen, but we should be expecting that soon. On a 4 hour, you can see price is heading up on the 4 hour. Candles are above this trend line. So long as candles are above this trend line, we're still in the uptrend. The 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly will show you that. That this is the overall trend. The overall trend is the uptrend. So we're waiting for gold to decide if it wants to go to this 1830 level. We believe it will go to the 1830 level, and then eventually close above this 1830 level. And now if we see price close above this 1830 level, our next key level would be, sorry about that. Our next key level would be 1840. That will be our next like that will be our next key level, will be 1840. Mid level will be 1835. Could be like a mid level. 1835 level could be like a mid level that price could get to. We do a horizontal ray from like right here, 1835 level. We can see price getting up to this 1835 level too. The last time price has been up here. When the last time price has been up here? Price hasn't been up here to this level since November 21. Since November 21, but it can still get up there. Definitely, price can definitely get up there. We'll see though. We'll see if price wants to get up there or not. C candles are above. We're waiting for price to hit this, for gold to hit this key level. So just back out of that. You see right now price is at 1830. We were expecting price to hit 1835, 1840. And we would just scroll down. First thing we would do, this is the overall daily would tell us, you know, and the 4 hour would tell us what's going on. Go down to the 2 hour. You see on the 2 hour, we see green candlesticks pushing up. We see right here, price did go down. We see this counter trend right here, this little counter trend before heading back up. On the 1 hour too, you can see this little counter trend. I actually made money off of this counter trend from here to here. You know, once price breaks this trend line, you can get in. You know, once price breaks this trend line, you can get in for buys. So we will scroll down to you can see that on the 1 hour, also 15. But we'll scroll down to the 15 to really see that. You can see on the 15. This is our key level. You see on the 15, price was in a downtrend from price was in a downtrend from 1823 to about 1815 and went right back to our key level, started consolidating at our key level. Once price starts consolidating from here to here, this is from 1823, 1822, all the way to 1815. That is a good move. That's a lot of pips right there. Like, you know, I think I made from there, from that sell, 1,176. I had two sales for $2 for gold from 1821, and I also had one at 1820. And you know, I just rolled price down. I was in a little bit of negative, but for the most part, price went all the way down to 1815. I had to be patient though. This move was like, you know, on the 15, this move didn't really, like on the 15, you can see these are every candlestick, every 15 candlesticks. So this is like, this move didn't happen until like, you know, like late London session, like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. When we started, when price got down to 1850, 1815 before pushing back up. During, you know, the New York session, in London session, price started pushing back up around 9:30 a.m. You could see price moving. You know, the London session and the New York session is around 9:30 a.m. And you could see price moving around that time, and you can get it in, you know, for a lot of pips. You know, that's the very volatile session right there. So around like the New York session will open around like 8 a.m. It overlaps with the London session around like 9:30. That's when the stocks, you know, you do stocks. You know that stocks doesn't open, the bell doesn't open until 9:30 anyhow. So you have to wait till 9:30. Once 9:30 opens, you know, price is moving. So I know that, you know, we could have got in for this sell from here to here, but you know, once price hits this key level, price is going to reject this key level. Like you see, price is rejecting off this key level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. You can see all the times price is rejecting, wicking, rejecting off this area right here, this 1815 area before heading back up. All right, so you will want to get out of this trade and and look for buys.